Want to set up story highlights on your Instagram profile, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add highlights to your Instagram page. Now let's get started. To add a highlight on Instagram, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap New, or tap the plus sign in the top right corner and select Story Highlight. Now you can select stories you've previously posted that you want to add to this highlight. Then tap Next. Type in a name for this highlight. To change the cover image that will appear on your profile, tap Edit Cover. You can then select one of your stories to use as the cover image, or tap the photo icon at the bottom to upload another photo from your camera roll to use as the cover. Tap Done. Then tap Add to create your highlight. You can have as many highlights on your profile as you like, so feel free to create multiple for different purposes, such as to keep memories from trips, share useful links or information, or whatever other purpose you might need them for. Each highlight can have up to 100 story posts saved to it. To add more story posts to an existing highlight, hold down the highlight and select Edit Highlight. Then tap Stories. Here you can select additional story posts to include in your highlight. You can also edit the title and cover photo here at any time. Tap Done to save your changes. That's all it takes to add highlights to your Instagram profile. Did you know that you can add music that will play when someone visits your Instagram profile? Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.